Tired of that unsightly ceiling damage? Worried about it affecting your home's value? No need to worry. Mr. Handyman offers top-notch ceiling drywall repair in Tuttle, Oklahoma. Experience our expert repairs, high-quality materials, and swift completion for yourself. Enjoy a fresh, flawless ceiling appearance, increased home value, and saved time and effort. Mr. Handyman transformed my ceiling. Quick professional service I wholeheartedly recommend. Verified customer. Don't wait for worse damage. Call Mr. Handyman at 405-288-7662. Now, rapid response time and limited slots available. Call now at 405-288-7662. Mr. Handyman is committed to providing exceptional repair services and exceptional experiences. Call Mr. Handyman's repairs to solve ceiling issues and increase your home's value. Call now at 405-288-7662.